smells kind of expensive. Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review of Princess by Kilian. So if you guys want to see this review, go ahead and stay tuned. So like I said previously, I am going to be reviewing Princess by Kilian, and at first I really wasn't thinking about this perfume at all, but one day I saw on Jackiana's Instagram story that either they were going out of business or they were discontinuing this fragrance. I can't remember which one it was, but she asked this question and they actually got back with her and was like, yeah. So either one of those is what's gonna happen. So I was just like, okay. Like, I kind of wanted to get it, but I thought this was way more expensive than it actually was. It is still an expensive perfume, but it isn't as expensive as I thought it was. So I was just like, I don't have to get it. But I was in Sephora one day and I saw that they had it in stock. So I was just like, okay, maybe I should get this before it's like obsolete and just gone completely. And this is the 1 ounce bottle, and they also have a smaller size, like a spray bottle, that's like 30. So if you guys want to try it out and not pay the full price, like that would be great to do. But I just really like the way the bottle looked, so that's pretty much why I got it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unwrap this and see what it looks like. So this is what the box looks like. So that is what the actual box looks like, and it just has Princess by Kilian on the front of it, and on the sides it just says, I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. So I thought that was kind of cute. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what the actual bottle looks like. Oh my gosh. So once I saw that they did have the little $30 spray bottle, I was kind of like, did I really need to get the full-size bottle? Because this was a blind buy. I've never smelled this before and I have absolutely no clue what it smells like. But opening the box and seeing this bottle, like, this is really, really nice. So the bottle stands upside down, and this is the base, and just all around it, it says, I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. And this is what the bottle looks like up close. So that is what the actual bottle looks like. And let's go ahead and get into the notes of this fragrance. So this fragrance is classified as a warm and sweet gourmand scent. So I'm kind of excited to see what this smells like. And as far as the key notes of this fragrance, those are ginger, green tea, and marshmallow. So I'm kind of trying to get in my head exactly what that might smell like, but let's go ahead and spray it and see what's going on with this. So this is how the actual bottle opens. Oh, okay. Oh wow. And this is really cool too. There's like a K engraved in the cap right there. And the same thing is engraved on the inside of the bottle too, or in the cap, sorry. So let's go ahead and see how this perfume smells. Okay. Now when you first spray it, you do really smell the ginger. It's not like a sharp, spicy type ginger. It's like a little bit of a zing, but it doesn't burn your nose or anything. But you can really smell the marshmallow when you first spray this as well. I'm not really getting too much of the green tea. I'm just really getting the ginger and the marshmallow. And that just really makes this a nice, warm, elegant scent. This is really, really nice. I understand now why people have this as their signature scent. Because with a fragrance like this, in my opinion, you could wear this year round, honestly. just very warm, very girly. It almost kind of sort of reminds me of Ariana Grande Ari. Just the only similarities between this and Ari are the marshmallow notes. But in this fragrance, the marshmallow note really stands out a lot more than in Ari. With that perfume, you kind of have to let it dry down before you really get the full marshmallow smell. But with this one, like as soon as you spray it, you get that sweet, smooth, creamy marshmallow and also the little bit of the zest from the ginger. So this whole perfume together just smells amazing. This smells really, really nice. Like I usually spray stuff on my wrist just in case I don't like it, but I'm gonna go ahead and have to spray this on myself, and I'm just gonna wear it for the rest of the evening because this really smells nice. Like usually with my blind buys, like it could either be a hit or a miss, but with this one, I'm so happy I got it. And just in case they are discontinuing this fragrance, I'm very happy that I have it now. The only thing I was kind of wondering about and kind of sort of a little concerned about is the fact that the bottle stands upside down. I know with some cheaper perfumes, if it's upside down or even laying on its side, some of the perfume will start to leak out. But I haven't seen or heard that that has happened with other people's bottles. So I'm hoping this will be okay because I really, really like this. And as you guys saw from the bottle, you cannot stand this upright. It's a complete ball. So it's just gonna have to sit upright like this or upside down like this, which is okay. I guess if I ever did get concerned, I could always get a perfume stand and just have it like this, but then you wouldn't really be able to read the writing on the bottle. So I don't know, I'm sure like it's not that big of a deal, and the bottle and the packaging, everything feels well made, so I probably won't have to worry about that at all. So that's an awesome plus. As far as the packaging, like the box, it has a matte finish on it as well. So that really feels nice and it feels very well made. So I more than likely will be holding on to the actual box for this perfume as well. Like my blind buys, I told y'all they have been hit or miss, but this one, like I can really see myself wearing this on a daily basis and just smelling nice. In my opinion, it smells unique. This smells just so nice and it smells kind of expensive. I'm really in love with this perfume. Like it's been a minute since I felt this way about a perfume that was a blind buy. I will have it linked below in the description box, so if y'all want to check it out, and y'all can also check out the other sizes that they have. So for this perfume, there are 3 sizes. There's the little sprayer or the travel size sprayer. There's this size, which is the 1 ounce, and the next size up from the 1 ounce is the 3.4 ounce. And that one retails for $135. So if for like people who only wear 1 scent and they don't like having a lot of perfumes, I definitely think that that would be a nice investment because you won't have to worry about having to buy it again. You'll have a nice amount of it to last you for a while. So if you're one of those people who doesn't like to have too many perfumes and just likes to stick with one, then that is probably the better deal. But also, if you guys aren't too sure about it and you just want to try it out, I definitely recommend buying the travel size sprayers for any perfume really, because they're inexpensive and you can kind of test things out and you get the luxury of having a sprayer too. So you don't have to deal with those roller balls. And I've noticed a lot of brands are kind of steering away from the roller balls and they're starting to use the little sprayers. So that just makes it a million times better. You don't have to roll it. You can get that experience of smelling it and having it land on your skin and through the air, and you can really get a better idea of how the fragrance smells. So guys, that was my review of Princess by Kilian. So if you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and leave a like, and as always, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe as well. And as always, thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope to see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.